How to use AI image generator in hosting your website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can use the AI image generator into the hosting your website of yours or the editor of yours of course and generate some images like the other generators. So it is going to facilitate the tasks of having some images that are going to be related into a certain topic that you're going to use. For example, you can use it for a blog post, you can use it for a product or specific imagination if you're going to put a specific report, analysis, or something like that into the website. So it is also going to be used for illustrations in general. Now we are going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the H panel or the dashboard of our account. Make sure that you have at least the business account or the business plan enabled because without the business plan, you're not going to be able to use it. Once you have everything done, you're going to head over the websites, click on websites list, and here you're going to see the websites that you have. Select the one that you want. For example, I'm going to click on here, edit website, and we are going to wait for the editor to load up. Once the editor has been loaded up or loaded, as you can see in here, we're going to see that we have in each section an image generator. So we can have here the image generator from here, or we can go ahead and head over the AI tool and see that we have the AI image generator, AI writer, and etc. So we are going to select here AI generator or image generator. We are going to base ourselves on the image description. So you're going basically here to have a specific description for that image, and then you're going to get the image that you want. So this is a reminder, upgrade to business plan to use all of AI and e-commerce features. So you need to upgrade. Now for the example of this description, you can see here examples. So here, as you can see, it is going to be the example that we are going to put on the description. So here this is the instruction. Describe the main subject of the image and their actions or poses, as well as the surroundings in which they are located. So this is just an example. A cozy living room with a fireplace and a cat napping on the couch. Another image or another specific example, a portrait of a person with a kind and compassionate smile. The third one, a cityscape, skyscraper, and busy streets. So you are going, for example, to have this as an example. You can paste in here and see the effort that you have spent and also the quality of the description. When you finish, you're going to click on create image and it will create it right away. Basically, you can regenerate the image, edit it, or put some other, let's say here, prompt for the image description. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.